So I'd like you today to connect with me with this beautiful yew bowl. The wood is 150 years old. It's a sounding bowl. It's made by Tobias K. And it's called a bridging bowl because the strings go from the light to the dark and from the dark to the light and bring balance into the body. This bowl also resonates at 432 Hertz, which is a magical frequency of nature. The tree and the tree's roots are resonating at 432 Hertz. So when we connect with this sound and connect with nature, it brings a different energy of sound and frequency into our body. So I'd like you to imagine that you're with me here under this beautiful pine tree with the bluebells, surrounded by a circle of oak trees, rhododendrons, pine cones, the stones, and just to listen to this frequency, to just go into a peaceful space. Just breathe deeply to your stomach and then let the breath out, and on the out breath just let go of anything that's troubling you, worries, fears, grief, sadness, and just imagine you're sat here, and for a short while you can feel totally in this space. So I'd ask you just to imagine you're with me. Just go into this sound of connecting with the birds. They're singing their song. Connecting with the bluebells. Giving off their lovely aroma. Being held by the strength of the oak trees in a circle. The circle's very important sacred geometry. This bowl is a circle. It's made of sacred geometry. This pine tree is the center, the focus of this sacred circle, together with stones And we see the light on the stones. And it's like an acupuncture point in the earth. As above, so below. Go into that breath and let your breathing become just rhythmic and a relaxing natural frequency of rhythm, totally aligned to the breath. Feel the sky, a blue sky, the energy of the sun shining in these leaves, making the leaves come alive. Feeling the little insects and flies that are bees, so delicate that they're actually emitting their gentle frequency along with the birds. The wind and the breeze. You can just see the branches of the trees. Swaying in the breeze. With the heavy pine cones just hanging in balance. The pines catching the sunlight, glistening in the sun. A whole circle of bluebells with their lovely energy. Just breathe, imagining you're with me. Give any thoughts, feelings, unwanted feelings, any heartache, and just let go. Imagine just for this time going into the space of calm, feeling centered at peace with nature. We're surrounded by tall trees, oak trees, pine trees, beech trees, yew trees, all very strong, of varying heights. And we draw our strength from sitting beneath the trees. So when you can, go out and sit in nature and feel that strength. from the deep roots of the tree, and the branches are like the reflections of challenges in our life. Some are twisty and windy and difficult to go towards the light and take on a different feel. But then they get past it and the tree goes stronger and stronger and higher and higher. It's a bit like our journey, embracing the challenges of life. Just draw strength from the trees and the challenges of life. Come at peace with yourself, at peace with the surroundings. Appreciate the abundance of nature and her gifts. Breathe. Breathe with nature. Let go of your troubles. Come into oneness. With all that surrounds us, more in harmony and balance. Like this bowl, we have the light side, the beautiful things in life. On this side we have the dark side, our challenges in life. Sadnesses, grief, obstacles, frustrations. But if we come in the middle and we balance the dark and the light, like the two sides of our brain and our body, we come into balance, being in our center. We come into a state of feeling centered, whole, oneness. If we can hold that perfect harmony in our center, in all sorts of challenges, we're more able to cope. Become more still, more at peace with ourselves. connected. So every day try and breathe in a meditation with whatever time you've got. Or go for a walk in nature and breathe with nature. Just to bring yourself back into balance and harmony. May you walk in nature and be in beauty. And oneness. Thank you.